Hello friends, welcome back, and I'm here to create a simple makeup look for you using the Maricos Makeup limited edition brushes. I received these brushes complimentary for review from our friends over at Maricos Stilettos Essential Brush Kit and also from Octoly. So I have an oval powder brush, a blush brush, an eyeshadow brush, a blending brush, a concealer brush, and a dual-ended eyeliner and brow brush. I am going to do a demonstration for you with some of the brushes, okay? So I am going to first use the powder brush to apply some powder to my entire face. I did wash the brushes. They wash very well, very soft, very dense. They're the Cartier style brushes. It does say here that they retail for $20. I do have a coupon code for you. It will be in the beauty bar down below. It's luxury 30. You guys know I always come through with a coupon code for you. Putting some powder on the brush. I'm going to powder my face. Oh, feels really nice. Really, really nice. Oh, very, very nice. Very, very nice brush. Very, very nice coverage. And I have added some powder to my face. I am going to use the blush brush, very nice, elegant, sleek, beautiful brush, to do a little blushing and contouring. I'm going to add a little bit of bronze contour to the side of my face. Just going to bring that contour up. This brush is actually very, very angled for contour or for blush. I do like it for that. Look at that. I can like get a perfect swoop with this brush. Those are the type of brushes I like. When I do my contour, my bronzer, I usually use a very, very fluffy brush like this so that I can get it blended out. It doesn't look like necessarily, I don't like mine to look like just a streak line. I don't like mine to look like that. I like to blend it out. I don't like to look like I have like this bow line going down my face. And then what I normally do is I normally take more powder when I'm doing my everyday makeup, and I go over my contour again, only because I don't want it to look like I just have a dagger going down the side of my face. I like it to blend down. I like to have the definition of it, but I also like it to blend out. I am going to use some of the eyebrow brushes. So I'm going to use this one first to lay a flat, I'm going to use an eyeshadow palette to lay a flat kind of base to my eyes. And this one works perfectly to just cover my entire eyelid. And like I said, this is just a simple makeup look to showcase the brushes. And this is just going to be the base over my entire eyelid. And I like the brushes because they're very, very flat and round. Do you see how flat they are? Do you see how they can just give you, this thing can give you coverage over your entire, look at that. I can cover my entire eyelid in like 1 or 2 strokes. I love kabuki type, which is what I consider them, kabuki type brushes. They are stiletto brushes. They are limited edition brushes, okay, with the Cartier pink design, pinkish gold design as you see there. I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush to give me a little definition in between, so I'm going to go for a little bit of a darker color. And I want to take this right in between, right there. That's where I want to take that color, just to define where my crease is. Right there. I'm actually loving these brushes. I love the sleekness, the elegance, very, very elegant. They feel very, very good. Very, very nice in the hand. As I said before, there is a coupon code for you. Definitely go and check them out and purchase some brushes. I mean, 30% off. What more can you ask for? Coupon code, once again, is luxury 30. Okay? There'll be a lot of information about this makeup company in the beauty bar down below. I'm going to take the flat brush, you can see here, and I'm going to put my base color, which is going to be a gold color, my eyelid color, I'm sorry, my eyelid color, right on my eyelid. And what I love about this, see how I can put this brush right there? I leave my lashes on for a week, as you guys know, so I need something that's going to just go, look at that, cut right in there. It just right in there. I need something that is going to lay right where I want it to lay, and I don't even have to do all that major blending. I don't even have to do all that major blending. I can take the fluffy brush that I did the middle crease with and go back over that middle crease a little bit and just make sure it fits right in. But other than that, definitely worth the money. Definitely worth the money. I love the look. It is a simple look. I can actually just walk out the door with this look without doing anything else to it. Let me get the brushes for you once again. These are the beautiful Maricos brushes. This is the only one I did not get to use, but I will. My eyebrows are tattooed, but I can definitely still use this for under eyebrow concealer. And then you have the eyelash or eyebrow brush there. These are the beautiful brushes from this company. A link to them will be down below. Do not forget that I have a coupon code for you, which is luxury 30. It gives you 30% off of these beauties. Don't miss out. I actually enjoy the brushes. I love the brushes. I am super excited. There are links down in the beauty bar below. It is limited edition stiletto brush kit. It is $20 for the entire kit, and then you get 30% off. So you guys cannot go wrong with this at all. If you have any questions or anything, leave them down in the beauty bar down below. I am going to finish getting dressed, and I'll put on a lipstick, and I can step out with this makeup look. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love the brushes. Thank you so much, Octoly and Maricos, for allowing me to do this makeup look. There'll be more makeup looks to come with these beautiful brushes. If you get them, make sure you tag me and Maricos Makeup on Instagram, on Facebook. Check out my Facebook blog page and my Instagram. There'll be a makeup look and information on these brushes on there. And I'll see you guys in the next video.